Hey everyone, I'm Sana. In this video, I'm gonna try base makeup with this one concealer palette from Purple. Let's begin. I have already applied moisturizer. It's from Emmeline Propylene Glycol Cream. For lips, I have applied mask lip oil. It's a floral dew plumping lip oil, which I'm liking it. Okay, now this palette has 6 shades for brown skins. I mostly used this orange corrector from this palette, but today I'm gonna do my full base. So as usual, I have corrected my dark hyperpigmentation with this orange concealer, blending with the concealer brush. Now going to check the other shade for my rest of the face. First I swatched this lighter brown shade, but it's too light, and I chose other brown shade that too bit lighter for me. And at last I swatched a dark brown shade from this palette. This is matching to my skin tone. So gonna apply this on my face. Before that, cleaning the previous swatches with the cotton pad. Now applying this dark shade to my outer perimeter face with the fingers first. And it's a cream product, so it looks like dewy. After application, gonna blend this. Now spritting some setting spray, cause it's a cream product, so it needs some mattifying look. So I'm spritting some spray from L'Oreal Paris Infallible. Now gonna highlight my center face with this light concealer shade. I took concealer in flat brush and applied it first on my T-zones, like on my nose and under eye areas, and also under contouring line. Now going to blend this with the same brush which I used for previous shades. I have blended one side of face. Can you see this? How seamlessly it blends? Okay, I have blended all over my face. Now concealer palette is done, so closing and keeping aside. Okay, now to set these concealer, I have used this 3 Beauties compact shade is 07 Sun Glow. Actually, this compact make your face too matte and also it keeps your makeup for long lasting. So I'm gonna use this palette. So I have blended with the triangular sponge. Most of them asking for this triangular sponge. The link is given in the description, you can check it out. I have bought it from Amazon. And for eyes, gonna apply dark brown shade with this angular brush, making wing with this brush. And today no mascara, and I'm applying same shade with the spoolie in lashes, which gonna give you a natural eye finish. And taking this light shade and blending in the under eyelids, and little bit highlighter from the same palette, and the palette which I used for this eye look is Mars Paradise version is Delhi. And for lips, applying liquid lip gloss which is lighter. I have bought it from Zudio. And this look lighter for me, so top of it I applied berry shade. This is also from Zudio, but it's a liquid lipstick. So yeah, I have done overall look with the help of Purple Concealer Palette. This is the close-up shot. Actually, it has some drawbacks, And see on my eyelids, after setting with the best compact, still it looks patchy. And the products are removed from the crease lines. And also it transfers quickly. जब मैं आईज में मेकअप कर रही थी तो हाथ लग गया था. हाथ तो यूजुअली लगता ही है, बट द प्रोडक्ट ट्रांसफर्ड इन माई हैंड. And also smile line quickly came. If you are an oily skin set, then don't do this. I have just tried this palette for a base, but I felt it's a cream product and moreover my skin is oily, so it transfers. Might be it looks perfect on dry skin. If you are in my skin set, please don't do a full makeup with this concealer palette. Otherwise, the product is good for concealing and the concealer gives a good pigmentation. So yeah, this is my opinion about this palette. So yeah, hope you like it. Bye bye. Meet you on next video. Bye.